By merely doing annadaana, how is it that you're appeasing the 9 planets? Let's take a look. The fire is actually Mangal, and anna or the rice itself is Chandra. So, and to make that, the gas stove and everything that you use is stainless steel and iron, which is Shani. So you see the all the planets come into the picture. The digestive fire sometimes within you could again be Mangal, and you need good health to digest food, like in one of the reels my client mentioned. So for that you need Surya's grace, and all the grains, some of the grains and the leafy vegetables are Buddha. So it's not like you're just going to cook plain rice and give, right? So that way. So if you see, all planets are there when you do annadaana. So try doing annadaana, especially when you're having functions at home. You have a housewarming ceremony, you have a baby shower, you have these happening at home. You invite people, you're just attracting negative drishti, because they'll come, they're jealous that you did a grand celebration and all. Instead, if you are able to feed poor people, okay, you do your social work, but like, socializing and other things, but you also do social work, call people, not to your house at least, give it to an orphanage, give it to, go and see if there is somebody who can help you feed at least 10 beggars or 10 poor people. That way you're balancing the negative energies with a positive feeding of the poor. Try this. This is a new tip. Try this year. Whatever celebration you're having, no matter what you're having, make sure that you also balance it by giving the poor. Thank you.